Hello and welcome to my video of the Huawei active noise cancelling headphones 3 unboxing. I'm going to take them out for a little bit of a test run. I'll show you what they look like in here and give you my thoughts on them. So let's unbox it. So here we have the packaging. It's quite well laid out, quite good looking packaging. Just gives you an idea what's actually inside the box. We've got multi-scenario noise cancelling, wind noise reduction, it's a USB-C plug and play. But around the back we have your, shows you your controls, multifunctional button in the middle, volume up and down, and the active noise cancelling on and off switch there. So multi-scenario noise cancelling, immerse yourself in music. So as we open up the box, you've got your different scenarios that you use for your noise cancellation. There's your headphones. Right, so in the box we've got a cable management clip. You've got different size little, I think people call them wings, for the headphones, so they stay more secure in your ears. It'll suit any shape of ear, I'm sure. You've got two different extra little plugs to go into the ears, which you can exchange over to suit which type you've got. You've got all your instruction book and warranty card information. So you've got all your warranty information in there, and you'll have your quick start guide. Stuff's fairly straightforward, but we'll go through those in a minute. Right, so I'm going to obviously use my P30 Pro, as I'm sure they've been optimized to work with that. So let's take this out. As you can see, USB Type C. Here's your controls here, bit of Huawei branding. There's your on off slider, nice clicky buttons, and let's get the headphones out themselves, move that to one side. So we've got obviously installed, you've already got some wingtips installed, one of the ear cones. Feels like metal on the outside, and I think it's plastic construction there. Not sure if it's metal, looks like it. So, and it's quite a nice thick cable. They're actually quite lightweight. So not bad at all. There's a little microphone to make phone calls with. So I'm doing a quick outdoor test with these headphones. So far, I mean, it's really windy. I don't know if you can get it on the microphone, but it's extremely windy, so it's a good area to test. So I've been around areas of traffic. It works really well. So with the controls as they are, you've got the multifunctional button. So you press start and stop music by pressing it once. You can skip to the next track by pressing it twice, or go back to the track before by pressing it 3 times. On the side you've got the noise cancellation button, so you can turn that off. Switching it on, you can toggle between pass-through sound, where you can hear stuff like traffic and people talking outside by pressing these 2 buttons simultaneously, or full noise cancellation by pressing it plus and minus again. Really good set of headphones. The sound from them is very good. I like the bass. It's not the heaviest bass, but it's a nice sound coming from them actually. You get a good sound all round. It's an all-round set of headphones, so they'd be great for everyday ones. They're comfortable to wear. I've had them in for a little while now, and I hardly notice they're there because they're nice, quite lightweight things. and the actual little cones that you put on them, they're actually quite supple and soft, so it doesn't seem to tire your ears out too much. So we're going to get back where it's going to be a bit quieter and I can give you my thoughts. Right, so we're back somewhere a bit quieter so I can talk to you about these now. So far I'm very impressed with these headphones. They're very good. I've tried on all different types of music and they sound just brilliant. The noise cancellation works really well. Doesn't stop it all, but obviously they're earbuds, so there's only so much they're going to be able to achieve. But I mean, the wind noise cancellations, I have to say, where I was by the beach today was really windy, and they did an excellent job. I'm actually really impressed with them. I didn't mention before, it's actually got high res audio, so they're obviously got some sort of amplified DAC in there, or some sort of DAC in there to help with the sound. So, and yeah, it works very well. I tried it on what I'm filming with the Note 9. I tried it on the Pixel 3a XL. It all works. I even tried it on my OnePlus 6 and that works. And yeah, I mean, it's not solely just for Huawei phones, but they're a great set of earbuds. I'm quite impressed with them. So I shall continue using those. So I'd just like to say thank you to Huawei for actually supplying me with these. I did go to a Huawei event where they actually gave me some of these. So yeah, well worth looking into getting some of those. Yeah, phone calls, everything works on them. That's it really. Yep, brilliant. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Please share it. Leave a comment if you've got some. Let me know what you think. If you've got any tips or anything like that, stick it down in the comments. I'll happily give those a try as well. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. All the best.